Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to resize images in Photoshop without losing that crisp, professional quality. Whether you are prepping graphics for social media or enlarging a small photo for a high-quality print, resizing can often lead to pixelation or blurry edges. But with the right settings in Adobe Photoshop, you can keep your images looking razor sharp every time. If you find this tutorial helpful, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe for more editing tips. Let us jump right into the workspace. The first and most reliable way to resize an image is by using the Image Size tool. To start, open your image file directly in Photoshop. Once your file is open, move your cursor up to the top menu bar and click on Image. Then select Image Size from the drop-down list. You can also use the shortcut Alt-Control-I on Windows or Option-Command-I on Mac to open this window instantly. In the Image Size dialog box, ensure that the Resample checkbox is marked. This setting is vital because it allows Photoshop to calculate how to fill in the extra pixels when you increase the size. Now, look for the width and height fields. Input the specific dimensions you need for your project. If you want to keep the same proportions, make sure the little link icon between the width and height is toggled on. The most important step for maintaining quality happens in the Resample drop-down menu. If you are making an image larger, I highly recommend selecting Preserve Details 2.0. This is an advanced artificial intelligence setting that does an incredible job of keeping edges sharp while smoothing out color transitions. If you notice any graininess after selecting this, simply adjust the Reduce Noise slider right below it to clean up the texture. Once you have tweaked these settings to your liking, click the OK button. Photoshop will then process the image, applying the interpolation to ensure the best possible scale. That's all it takes to handle high-quality resizing in Photoshop. If this video helped you master your workflow today, do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more content. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about image resolution or export settings, and I will see you in the next one.